A Brazilian expert hailed China's call for concerted efforts to address the global challenges during the just concluded G20 summit.
The current world context has tremendous challenges whose diversity and intensity require a firm posture of cooperation from countries, mainly those of the largest economy in the world. The need to restore the world economy, the absolute control of COVID-19, and the geopolitical crisis are examples of the size and the complexity of these challenges. Will only be possible to successfully tackle these difficulties from multilateralism, peace actions, and the concert cooperation effort between countries. The effectiveness of these actions could create a more homogeneous global environment for humanity.
The expert added that the world can benefit from China's commitment to peaceful development.
The ideal path from the China's development will be to prioritize innovation, deep reform, and continue the up-and-up process. This policy will promote the modernization and rejuvenation of the nation. The relationship between China's growth and the other countries is directly correlated. That is, the success of China developing is a precondition for harmonious and prosperous world development. Will benefit from China's commitment to implement peaceful development